YouTube family, yes sir, it's your boy, and we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to break down a trade that I caught out to my private chat room on gold futures, okay? Now, if you guys haven't known, we have been trading Forex, but we are transitioning over to the future side, okay? It's already been 2 months and the results have been crazy, okay? So you guys really want to learn how to trade futures. You guys want to be a part of a community that is as transparent as it can be with you guys. The link will be down below, okay? I keep it as real as I can, you know, and I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing. I'm not going to be adding extra stuff to whatever it is to make you guys buy a course. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to show you guys that trading is real and that you don't have to spend so much money to actually learn how to trade, okay? So literally the only thing I have right now that's charged is going to be the Discord. Again, if you join the private Discord, it's only $20 ongoing if you join this month. After that, it's only $40 a month. Like $40 a month to take your trading to the next level. It's just crazy, okay? So I'll leave that link down below. And you know, hit that subscribe button, man. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. You know, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me and supporting me since day one. You know, and if you are new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, because all the videos that I'm dropping for you guys is literally my full strategy and what I do every single day when I get to the market, okay? So again, let's get into the actual video now. So before I even break down this gold futures trade, I like to show you guys proof that I'm calling out these trades live, and I'm letting everybody in my community know that I'm calling out these trades, okay? And people are taking it. We already have one person in the private chat room that just got funded with Top Step on a 100k challenge. It's just been insane. And then myself as well, I got 150k funded. I officially passed it already. I'm gonna show you guys that proof right now. And you know, let's get 2024 right, man. Stop wasting time. Stop trying to find different traders to learn from. Find one trader or one mentor and stick to that one mentor and just keep learning and growing, okay? So again, let me pull up the Discord. So this was a trade that I called out on gold futures. Again, I'm telling everybody that I'm waiting, okay? Once I see my entry, I tell everybody I'm in for a buy, where I'm entering, where my stop loss, where my take profit is, and I send this out, okay? Once the trade plays out and TP has been smashed, I tell everybody, okay, cool, TP smash. Again, this is all we are doing every single day, okay? So let's get deeper into the Discord. I want to show you guys what the private chat room is really all about, okay? So we have scheduling, which is you can schedule a free one-on-one session with me or with another trader that we have. He goes by A-Field Trades, okay? You can schedule your one-on-one sessions and have that one-on-one mentorship, and we could go over anything you want on that session, okay? We have weekly webinars. We do this every Saturday, okay? We have webinars recording saved in the chat so that anybody could come back and watch if they missed it or if they weren't able to attend it, okay? So that is the mentorship part, okay? Now we have the Forex signals, of course. We have the future signals, and then we have our signal stats, okay? As of 2024, we are 29 wins, 11 loss, and 2 break even on the Forex side. That's a 73% win rate, okay? As of 2024 for the private chat room, we are 18 wins, 6 loss, and 4 break even. That is 75% win rate. It's been crazy. And keep in mind, a lot of people in the Discord, they have just transitioned over to the future side. So it's just crazy to see how everybody is growing and how everybody see the potential in trading, okay? So this is what we get in the private chat room. Of course, we have the chat room where we talk every single trading session, right? So I trade London, and then we have another trader. He goes by A-Field Trade. He trades New York sessions and send out signals for the New York session, okay? So as we get deeper into the Discord, you can look at the funded certificate. Again, we have this one trader. He goes by Kit. He just got 100k funded on the future side with Top Step, okay? It's just been crazy. And then of course myself, I just got 150k funded, okay, with Top Step, and I'm working on another 100k as we are speaking right now. So I'm going to give you guys crazy updates on Top Step in the next couple of videos, but it's just gonna be an insane year, okay? So beside all that, man, let's get into the breakdown. Let's show you guys what I really do every day on the charts and how this strategy is so beautiful, okay? So this is gold futures. Again, this is a 5-minute. I always start off on the 5-minute time frame, okay? Now there's 2 things I look for as soon as I start off on the 5-minute. Are we above or below the 200, and are we breaking structure to the upside, okay? So on the 5-minute, what do I see? I see that we're above the 200. We have the 200 sitting down here, and we're also breaking structure. If you put on the line chart, this was a high over here. We had these levels over here, right? This move, let me pull this out. That move pushed up and broke these previous highs over here. Okay, so that's a break of structure. So if I put back the candles, okay, you see the break of structure. Let's say if I put a line right here, cool, we just broke structure to the upside and we're above the 200 EMA. Okay, now perfect. As soon as I understand that, let me go to the 1 hour and the 4 hour, because that's where I need to see what my directional bias is for the day. Okay, I don't just base it off of the 5 minute, but to see the 5 minute doing this is giving me a sign that we should be buying today. Okay, now let's go to the 1 hour. That's the first place I go to, is the 1 hour time frame. What is the 1 hour time frame doing? Clear as day, just clear as day. What is doing? What is it doing? We're moving on the uptrend. We're above the 200. The 200 is all the way down here. Okay, and we're also above the 13 EMA, which is what I'm going to show you how to use 13 EMA on the lower time frame, because that's mainly what that will be used for. But it's so efficient. Okay, and as you know, we're clearly going to uptrend. We're above the 200, and what's happening? We're also breaking structure. We had these highs over here. Okay, price broke up. Okay, so we're breaking structure to the upside. We're not taking out any lows, so we're constantly breaking to the upside. So that's telling me cool, the 1 hour is very bullish for the day. Now let's go to the 4 hour. What is the 4 hour doing? Same thing. We're on an uptrend, clear as day, right? We're also above the 200. Okay, and we have consecutive bullish candles printing. As you can see, when you see this, it's showing that we have a lot of buyers in the market. Okay, so why should you be selling? You should not be selling anytime, anywhere, at, you know, because why it just doesn't make any sense, right? Also, you put this out, we had these highs over here, we broke structure to the upside. This was a high area, we broke structure to the upside. Just clear as it's very simple. So the 1 hour and the 4 hour telling us that we should be buying because we are very bullish. So once I understand that, let's go to the 5 minute. On the 5 minute right here, it's where I get on, correct? So as I'm on the 5 minute, what do I see? I need to find my demand zone because we are very bullish. Okay, so I should only be buying, which that means is I should only be looking at demand setups. Okay, so perfect. What do I see right here? I saw we had a break of structure over here. Let me take this off. We had a break of structure right here. So we broke structure. So whenever you look at your demand or supply zone, you want to see which level broke structure and see if it left a gap. Okay, so at this level, we had a break of structure. Now where did that move started when we broke structure? The move started down here. This right here was the move. Okay, and this was the high that we broke over here. Okay, so the move started here, we broke structure to the upside, we're breaking highs, and we're creating a demand zone. Why are we creating a demand zone? Because we have a gap being left behind. Now where's the gap? When you draw your demand zone before the big push, you want to look at the bearish candle previously and see if there's a gap. So where was the next candle, the previous candle that was next to that bullish push? Right here, this was that candle. Now is there a gap? There is a gap. So how you want to draw your demand zone is you want to take your zone, your box, from that top wick of that bearish candle to the bottom of this bullish wick. This is your demand level. Okay, this is going to be your 5 minute demand. Okay, now why is it demand, or why is it a high probability demand? Is because we left a gap. So let me turn off the indicators so we can see this a lot better. So as you can see, where's the gap? This was that break of structure move, right? So we had a break of structure. Now as this candle left the box, this bullish candle left the box, this next candle only came down this much. We still have this much gap to fill. Okay, so where's the gap? The gap is from here to here. That's the gap. Why is that the gap? Because this candle came down only a little bit and then pushed back up. So a lot of traders, what they see is they would probably see, okay, cool, we had a break of a candle right here and I'm entering. I'm not doing that. I need to wait for the gap to come back, get filled, tap into my zone, and give me my entry. Okay, so at this point, all I'm doing is I'm waiting for price to come back down, fill in the gap, tap into the zone, give me a break to take to the upside. Okay, now should I be selling down here? No, I should not, because we are still only buying today. We should not be counter trending at all. Okay, so I'm going to wait for price to come back down. So let's play this out. Okay, so look at this candle. This is a beautiful candle at your zones. If you ever see a type of candle that looks like this, you should be very confident in your setup. Okay, so what happened at this candle? We came back down. It was a full bearish candle, came all the way back down. We filled in the gaps, so gaps are cleared. We tap into our zone. Now what's happening? as we tapped into the zone, we already have buyers pushing back up, right? We already have buyers coming in at this level. So you see how this bearish candle is once a very full bearish candle, and then now look at what's left. Look at this long wick from that zone. So whenever you see a candle come back to your zone and it wicks off very aggressively, that's a sign that when the next candle break, you should be entering, because now you have another validation that, okay, cool, this level has a lot of buying pressures, and clearly sellers do not have enough power to take down the buyers at this moment. Okay, so as this candle came back down and I saw this, I knew that, okay, cool, I'm taking the next break once any candle break, because I know buyers are in the market. So let's play this out. Boom, look at what just happened. We took a long right here. Okay, you had stops down here, and then your 1-to-1 is up here. Okay, so there's two levels that you can put your stops. I like putting my stops below the zone, but sometimes if you don't want to wait so long for a trade, you can always put your stops below the swing. So you can put your stops below the candle that broke. So this candle printed and the next candle printed and broke the previous high. You can put your stops below this wick, give it like, you know, extra room. You don't want to let your trade breathe, and you could have went for your 1-to-1 like this, and your TP would have been smacked in 5 minutes. Now for me on this trade, I had my zone down here because I had a feeling it would keep going up. But there's one thing I want to show you guys. So when I saw this next candle print, okay, I kind of got out right here. The reason why I got out when the candle closed, because when I saw this candle, we broke this previous wick high, but then we started closing the body down below. So that kind of showed me that, okay, cool, we might come down again before getting another push. And for me, I'm trying to get out as fast as I can and take my profit. So as soon as this candle closed, I took my profit, and as you can see, what happened afterwards is we had a liquidity grab, and then we came back up again. So I knew that price would come down here because we just had so much order sitting down here, but I just didn't know when it was going to come back. So when I saw this candle close, and I was like, okay, cool, we broke above, and then we kind of closed the body back down, it kind of made me feel like, okay, cool, I need to get out this trade right now. Okay, I'm not trying to sit no drawdown. I'm not trying to be done for the day. I'm already in profit. Why won't I just take my profit and be done for the day, right? So I took profit there. But again, if you put your stops below the wick and then you go for your 1-to-1, your trade would have been instantly smacked. Okay, so there's two things you could do: put your stops below the zone, or put it below the lowest area over here where that break happened. Or if you're on the 15-minute or the 1-hour time frame, you can use it below the swings, the most recent swing. But again, it's all up to you. Okay, so this trade was hit, and it was just beautiful. We're bullish. We had a break of structure, 5-minute demand with the gap got filled, candle break, nice exhaustion candle right here, and boom, that was all that we did on this trade. Okay, so again, that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you guys really want to learn how to trade, go join the private chat room, man. The link will be down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.